My name's Dave Wilson. I work in installations. I was team leader for 9 years, I think it was. As you can see, I'm getting older and I've sort of stood back a little bit now, but I'm still involved in all the bigger projects. Quite often I'll go to site on some of the bigger jobs with our external managers, nut out a job, work out the best plan to make it, and then go back to site and control the installation of it. The external sites go to site first, measure up, make notes on what has to be done, give us a simple plan, and we go from there. So I have been working in the safety industry since 2011, and that was at Barrier Group. I've got a metal trades background and was looking for a change from where I was working. I came here as a welder, and I think I was just going to stay a short period of time and then move around a bit, but they offered me the installations, and they said, oh, you'll get a car, and I thought, oh, beauty, how good's this? So I stayed, and here I am still here now. Well, to be quite honest, I just enjoy working. I don't know that I want to have every day of the week off. I quite enjoy being active and being busy. The bulk of the clients want our advice. How should we go about this? You do get some that quite demanding on what they want, but yeah, the bulk of them seem to say, well, what do you think? You let me know. Safety in Australia is just going to continue on getting bigger and bigger, in my opinion. Like, you go over to Italy or somewhere like that and you just wouldn't have a barrier group because they're not like that over there. It just seems to be stronger and stronger in Australia, and which will continue this company to grow. You always have hiccups on your installations. You've just got to look at the situation and work out the solution for it. It's just a matter of planning or thinking out, how can I get around this? Well, you've got to be hardworking. I think that you've got to be quite physical because we dig a lot of holes. It's just planning probably of what you're doing. Have a look at what you've got to do and plan out the best way to go about doing that. And if you've got a desire to work and a desire to learn, you'll pick up the work, no worries.